Barkbusters presents the grip installation video. Firstly, you will need to remove your old grips using a razor blade or knife cutter to cut through the grip. If you want to keep them, you can try blowing compressed air under the grip to help remove them. Original grips can be glued on and very hard to remove using compressed air. Once the old grips are removed, clean the surface of the handlebar and throttle tube, making sure there is no glue or grip remaining. We recommend placing a grip glue inside your grips before sliding them on the handlebar to ensure they stay in position. Don't use too much as it could get inside your throttle tube and switch block. Block the end of the grip with your palm and blow compressed air inside the grip to help push it in position. Wipe off any excess glue and make sure to give it time to dry before riding. As Barkbusters grips are open-ended, you can easily fit a set of bar end plugs or any of our bar end mount hardware. Thanks for watching and happy riding.